In this guide, I'll show you how to reset your Amazon Firestick 4K Max remote and fix most issues, whether it be syncing, pairing, or draining batteries. So, the first thing I recommend you do is to use high quality batteries. In my case, I'm using ones from the dollar store, and this thing runs out in like a week. So, what I recommend you do is get some good AAA alkaline batteries. Now, if your remote's not working, what I recommend you do is press and hold the home button, and you can also spam press it to see if it'll connect. And if it's not syncing or pairing, we're going to have to reset it. So the first thing I want you to do is unplug your Fire Stick from the power supply. And when it's unplugged, grab your remote and we're going to press and hold the menu button, the back button, and the left button for about 15 seconds. And this is going to reset the remote. Now, I do recommend you count this out aloud just to ensure you've done it long enough. Then you want to take the batteries out of your remote. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and plug your Fire Stick back into the power after it's been about 30 to 60 seconds and put the batteries back into your remote. Then, what you want to do once your TV's back on and your Fire Stick's on is you want to press and hold the home button on your remote for about 15 seconds until the light on the top of your remote starts flashing, and this could be different colors. In my case, it's a yellowish orange. It could be blue for you. And what you want to do whilst holding it is you can release, and you want to wait for this flashing light to stop flashing and test your remote to see if it works. Now, you also notice I tried spam pressing the home remote because these remotes are incredibly finicky. And if it doesn't work immediately, don't panic. Just try pressing and holding the home button again, as well as spam pressing it until it starts working again. And you can see in my case, it's now working. This video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.